Welcome back, children. So today we'll start with nucleus. Now the nucleus has fine pores in it. These are the nuclear pore. This is the nuclear membrane. This is the nucleolus. And inside the nucleus you will get this type of thread-like structure. This is the chromatin thread and a matrix, jelly-like matrix inside. Which is called as the nucleoplasm. This is the nucleoplasm. So remember these 5 parts. This is the nuclear membrane. In the nuclear membrane there are pores which are called as nuclear pore. Within the nucleus there is nucleoplasm, a dark body called as nucleolus, and chromatin thread. Right? Now children, inside a cell, both cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm together, it is called as protoplasm. This is the living material, the jelly-like substance inside the cell, that is the protoplasm. It is divided into 2 parts. Outside the nucleus, it is called as cytoplasm. Inside the nucleus, it is called as nucleoplasm. Okay, children? Now, the chromatin thread. Actually, I told you at first that the nucleus is the brain of the cell. It regulates all the activities of the cell. Within the nucleus, this chromatin thread is very important. Now, this chromatin thread forms chromosomes. This chromatin thread forms chromosomes. At the time of cell division, they are more visible. These chromosomes are made up of DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. Now this DNA contains very small segments which are called as genes. And these genes, what are they? They are the units of responsible for transmission of hereditary characteristics. Various characteristics which you inherit from your parents, from your grandparents, from your forefathers. Genes are responsible for transmission of those characteristics from your previous generation to you. Genes play a very important role in your body structure, in the color of your hair, in the color of your eyes, in the color of your skin, and many other things. So, this is extremely important. You should remember the function of chromosomes and function of nucleus and the structure of nucleus. So, remember, you must draw this diagram in your copy properly so that if it is asked to draw the diagram of only nucleus, you should be able to draw the diagram clearly with all the parts labeled accordingly. So children, let us go through once more. This is the structure of the nucleus. The nucleus acts like the brain of the cell. It regulates all the activities of the cell. The nucleus is covered by a nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane contains pores which are called as nuclear pore, through which substances are allowed to move in and to go out of the nucleus. Inside the nucleus there is a jelly-like substance present all over the nucleus which is called as nucleoplasm. Within the nucleoplasm, two things are observed. First is the nucleus, a dense dark body called nucleolus is there, and thread-like structure. This is the chromatin thread which actually forms chromosomes, and these chromosomes, which are more visible at the time of cell division, these chromosomes are made up of DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA are made of small fragments called as genes, which are the units of heredity. You can say genes are the hereditary material. All the information from the parents, from grandparents, means from your forefathers, are passed to you through the genes. So that is all about nucleus. In our next class, we will do the various other cell organelles which are present inside a cell on the cytoplasm. Various small entities are there which is found floating in the cytoplasm. These are called as cell organelles. Remember, cell organelles. Various types of cell organelles are there and they perform specific function found both in plant cell as well as in animal cell. So at first we will do animal cell and after that we will do plant cell. So in our next class I will draw the diagram of animal cell first and then I will explain the various parts which are there inside the animal cell, and after that we will go to plant cell. Thank you.